Ukrainian drone operators are hard at work, here finding a BM-21 Grad multiple rocket launcher. The unguided rocket launcher can contain 40 122mm rockets with a maximum range of 50 kilometers. Russia has produced this cheap and fairly ineffective weapon system in larger masses. Due to its range, only a little bit over 100 Grad system has been lost so far. The Grad system being targeted still had some rocket left, ensuring a complete destruction of the system once hit, letting a small drone to take out another equipment, which means one less to worry about tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.